As energy costs rise and homeowners become more conscious of sustainability, energy-efficient windows have quickly become one of the most popular home upgrades in Middleton. Beyond giving homes a fresh new look, these windows are designed to improve comfort, lower utility bills, and reduce environmental impact, all while enhancing long-term property value. If you've been considering replacing your old windows, now is the perfect time to understand why so many Middleton homeowners are making the switch. Lower energy bills all year long. Middleton experiences a variety of weather conditions, from chilly winters to warm, humid summers. That means your heating and cooling systems work overtime to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. Unfortunately, older or poorly sealed windows allow heat to escape during winter and let it in during summer, causing energy waste and higher bills. Energy-efficient windows solve this problem by using advanced insulation technologies that keep indoor temperatures consistent. Features like low E, low emissivity, glass coatings, argon gas fills, and multi-pane designs act as barriers against heat transfer. The result? Your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, which can reduce your energy costs by up to 25 to 30% annually. Over time, those savings can quickly offset the cost of installation, making energy-efficient windows both a smart and sustainable investment for Middleton homeowners. Improved comfort in every season. Energy-efficient windows don't just save money, they make your home more comfortable. Their superior insulation eliminates cold drafts in winter and prevents hot spots during summer. You'll enjoy more consistent room temperatures throughout the year, no matter which direction your windows face. For homes in Middleton's scenic neighborhoods, these windows also allow for large, open views and plenty of natural light without compromising temperature control. You can enjoy sunshine and beautiful outdoor scenery without the discomfort of glare or heat buildup. Enhanced indoor air quality and noise reduction. Older windows can let in outdoor dust, pollen, and humidity, which affects indoor air quality. Energy-efficient models are sealed tightly to prevent air leaks and moisture intrusion, helping to keep your indoor environment healthier. In addition, their multi-pane construction and laminated glass design help block outdoor noise. Whether your home is near a busy street or a lively community area, you'll notice a quieter, more peaceful interior. This added sound insulation is one of the most underrated but appreciated benefits of upgrading to energy-efficient windows. Protecting your home and belongings. Sunlight is great for brightening up your home, but prolonged exposure to UV rays can cause fading in furniture, flooring, and artwork. Energy-efficient windows come with UV blocking coatings that filter out harmful rays while still allowing plenty of natural light in. This feature helps preserve your home's interior and prevents costly replacements or refinishing over time. It's a small but impactful way to protect your investment and maintain the beauty of your Middleton home. Increased property value and modern appeal. Installing energy-efficient windows not only improves your home's performance but also boosts its market value. Today's buyers are more interested in eco-friendly, low-maintenance features that promote comfort and sustainability. Homes with energy-efficient windows often sell faster and at higher prices because buyers recognize the long-term value, lower utility bills, better insulation, and modern aesthetics. New windows also refresh your home's curb appeal, giving it a clean, updated look that complements any architectural style found in Middleton's neighborhoods. Long-term durability and peace of mind. Energy-efficient windows are built with high-quality materials that can withstand Middleton's changing weather. Whether it's strong winds, rain, or temperature swings, these windows maintain their structural integrity and performance for years. When installed professionally, they also come with extended warranties that protect both the glass and frame, giving you long-term peace of mind that your investment will last. Final thoughts. More and more homeowners in Middleton are discovering the value of energy-efficient windows, not just for saving money, but for creating a more comfortable, beautiful, and sustainable home. These windows improve insulation, block harmful UV rays, and enhance curb appeal, all while reducing energy usage and monthly expenses. Whether you're planning a renovation or simply ready to replace aging windows, choosing energy-efficient options is a decision that benefits your family, your wallet, and the environment. When it comes to comfort and value, energy-efficient windows are an upgrade that truly pays off, today and for many years to come.